Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on customizing hit effects in COD Mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the main dashboard of COD Mobile, tap the settings icon from the top right of the screen. In Settings, tap Audio and Graphics from the left menu. In the Graphics settings, tap Effects from the tabs at the top. Here you can change the style of your hit effects. It's set to blood by default, but there are lots of styles to choose from, such as Tactical Flare and Battlefield Smoke. Tap an effect to see a preview of it. You can then also change the color of the hit effect. There are 5 colors to choose from. You can also change the color of the warning you get on the screen when you get hit. Your changes will take effect next time you go into a game. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more COD Mobile tips and tricks.